Alright guys, well welcome to another Table Talk with a TT Combat Terrain review. Today we're going to be covering the Orc Mek Garage. It's a bit bigger, it's the biggest one we got so far with about 6 different templates. Well, without further ado, let's get into it. Okay. Please note that the instructions will be online. See this video coming up to see where to find those at. as straight as you're going to get, I guess. Alright, so I made a mistake when I was making this. You see that this was supposed to have 2 ladders. It has 1, because I accidentally put the other one on this guy by mistake. I didn't realize that this was its actual platform to prop it up there. So it's a little awkward. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to think of a creative way to make this look proper and to try to retain some of what I lost. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the stand right back where it was beforehand, and the reason why, son of a gun, will you stay straight?
A few moments later.
Alrighty, hopefully we stay straight this time, because this is kind of aggravating. Why can't you just stay straight? So I took the piece, I put it behind here to actually prop it up. Now I broke off this piece, which was on top of that. So I need to figure out what I want to do. I think what I'm going to do for this piece in particular is plop it right in to where it should have went. I swear I make these proper. You know, I might actually keep this as a breakable part, so it's more modular. So that's why I have not glued it yet. So there's that. Doesn't look fantastic, but it looks okay. Maybe if I put like, that looks good. So that's how I'm going to fix this. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe if you like our content and make our struggle a little bit less of a struggle. Appreciate you.